Cooking routine, the life-changing insight about timer. Have you ever found yourself overwhelmed in the kitchen, trying to juggle multiple tasks at once? It's no secret that cooking can be a stressful experience, especially when you're trying to perfect a recipe or entertain guests. But what if I told you that there's a simple tool that can transform your cooking routine and make your life so much easier? I'm talking about the Humble Timer. You might be thinking, what's so special about a timer? Well, let me tell you. Once you start using a timer in your cooking routine, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. A timer is not just a device that counts down the minutes and seconds. It's a game changer that can revolutionize the way you approach cooking. Imagine this. You're preparing a roast for dinner, and the recipe calls for it to be cooked for 45 minutes. In the past, you might have set a mental note or glanced at the clock occasionally, hoping you wouldn't forget about it. But with a timer, you can set it and forget it. Set the timer for 45 minutes, and you're free to focus on other tasks or simply relax while your meal cooks to perfection. But the benefits of using a timer don't stop there. Have you ever found yourself constantly checking on a dish in the oven, worried that it might be overcooking or burning? It's a common concern, especially when you're trying to multitask in the kitchen. But with a timer, you can set it to alert you when the allotted cooking time is up. No more need to constantly open the oven door and disrupt the cooking process. Just set the timer and let it do the work for you. Another advantage of using a timer is that it helps you stay organized and on track. Let's say you're following a recipe that requires you to cook multiple components simultaneously. Without a timer, it can be easy to lose track of time and end up with overcooked or undercooked elements. But with a timer, you can set different alarms for each component, ensuring that everything is cooked to perfection and ready to be served at the same time. And here's the best part. Timers are not limited to just cooking times. They can be used for a wide range of tasks in the kitchen. Need to marinate your meat for exactly 30 minutes? Set a timer. Want to chill your dessert for an hour before serving? Set a timer. The possibilities are endless, and using a timer ensures that you never miss a step or forget about an important task. In conclusion, incorporating a timer into your cooking routine can be a life-changing insight. It simplifies your cooking process, reduces stress, and helps you achieve consistent results every time. So, why not give it a try? Embrace the power of the timer and watch as it transforms your cooking experience. Your taste buds will thank you. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tips and tricks to enhance your cooking routine. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Happy cooking!